I'll never forget the morning I realized our field service team was drowning. Scheduling chaos, lost invoices, text switching between drivers and calendars. If your operations feel like a tangled mess, Housecall Pro might be tempting. But does it truly make your business smoother, or just wrap chaos in a shiny interface? Let's find out. Housecall Pro is a field service management platform built for home service pros, plumbers, HVAC techs, electricians, promising drag-and-drop scheduling, real-time dispatching, mobile invoicing, and more. It feels like an all-in-one tool, but is the cost worth it? And does it deliver when the job's stacking up? Let's break it down. Imagine your small crew juggling service calls, quotes, payments, and customer follow-ups, all while trying to keep each other updated on the go. You need cohesion, speed, and reliability. That's where Housecall Pro claims to step in. The basic plan starts at approximately $59 per user per month if billed annually, $79 month to month, and includes scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, online booking, live chat, a price book, mobile app, review generation, and even AI team helpers. The Essentials plan jumps to about $149 per month when billed annually, $189 month to month, and expands into GPS tracking, equipment tracking, QuickBooks integration, marketing tools, visual price books, and employee checklists. The Max plan sits at roughly $329 per month and adds advanced reporting, an onboarding specialist, escalated phone support, and free access to add-ons like sales proposal tools and recurring service plan features. You can include more users on Essentials or Max for about $35 per user per month. A 14-day free trial gives a real-world test drive. What stands out is the intuitive scheduling with drag-and-drop ease that saves time and miscommunication. The mobile app empowers technicians to invoice, accept payments, and mark jobs complete, all without calling back to headquarters. Built-in marketing, review prompts, and QuickBooks syncing tighten up billing and reputation work. Users appreciate how fast they can onboard and how much simpler their day-to-day operations feel. On the flip side, the jump in pricing between plans is steep and begins to bite as you scale. Reporting is solid, but those advanced dashboards only come in higher tiers. GPS tracking is helpful, but you'll pay extra if you want routing or fleet optimization. And getting everything configured just right requires patience or willingness to lean on support. If you're a solo operator or very small team, the basic plan offers a full toolkit to stabilize your operations. Growing into a multi-tech business with dispatch needs, Essentials brings GPS, automation, and integrations worth the upgrade. Ready to scale or need tailored workflows, proposals, and analytics? Go for Max and use the trial and onboarding help to make it worth every dollar. So that's the honest lowdown on Housecall Pro. Powerful for field pros and powerful in price tiers too. Whether it untangles your workflow or stretches your budget depends on how fast you grow and what features matter most. If this cleared things up, tap like, subscribe for more no BS tool reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.